Hi friends, in this episode we will see water treatment method and various sources of water available. Now we can see sources of water and various treatment methods normally used. Rainwater is collected in small ponds, tanks and prepared catchment area like water reservoirs. Surface water is normally from rivers and lakes. Groundwater from natural spring, wells and borewells. Water reclamation from desalination, that is from saline water, seawater and brackish water which are having high total dissolved solids. Seawater is having high total dissolved solids from 15,000 to 40,000 ppm or milligram per liter. Brackish water is having TDS from 1000 to 15,000 ppm or milligram per liter. This saline water can be treated by the various methods given below. Those methods are distillation, reverse osmosis, freezing, electrodialysis, and solar evaporation. Distillation and freezing method can be used for seawater treatment mainly. Reverse osmosis method we can use for TDS less than 10,000 ppm. Electrodialysis and solar evaporation be used for lesser TDS. Now we can see water demand and water varied use in many areas. Residential or domestic use consists of drinking water, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, and washing house usages. Water consumed for domestic animals also comes under domestic use. Public or civic use consists of sanitation, public parks, watering plants in the public parks, and the firefighting. Industrial use also plays main usage. Depends on the type of industry and depend on the process and the number of workers working in that industry will increase the water demand. Commercial uses are from offices, hotels, hostels, laundries, restaurants, water garages, and malls, which are normally used by the common people in many ways and many time. Now we can see the quality of water, common impurities present, and their effects. Suspended impurities are due to bulk bacteria, algae growth, protozoa, and silt. Bacteria and protozoa will give diseases. Algae growth, which is due to sunlight, will give odor, color, and turbidity. Silt is nothing but salt and muddiness. That will give turbidity. The suspended impurities will give odor, color, and diseases and is measured as turbidity. Another main impurity is dissolved impurities or dissolved solids. Dissolved solids consist mainly of calcium and magnesium bicarbonate, sulfate, chlorides. Calcium, magnesium chloride, and sulfate will give hardness and corrosion and also will give alkalinity. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, and sodium chloride is another impurities. Sodium chloride will mainly will give taste, bad taste. You cannot drink. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, sodium chloride presence in water will give alkalinity, softening effect, and foaming in boiler. We cannot drink soft water. Even though it is soft, it will give lather to soap and hardness is very less and you can use it for washing purpose. But you cannot use it for drinking or cooking purpose as the sodium present in the water will give BP. It will increase the BP if the sodium value is more than 10 ppm. Sodium value more than 10 ppm is normally not allowed for drinking and cooking purpose. Another impurity is fluoride, which will give dental fluorosis. Main impurities of metal and metal compounds are iron oxide. Iron oxide will give bad taste and bad color. It will give corrosion and hardness also. The iron is present in the water. It will give yellowish color and taste also will be there. Some bad smell also will be there. It will be corrosive and hardness also it will give. Manganese present in water will give color, which is black or brown in color. Other common impurities are metal compounds or lead. Lead is highly poisonous. It should not be present in water and it cannot be used for cooking. Arsenic is another poisonous and toxic substance present in water. Barium and cadmium also is toxic and it will give illness. Cyanide is very dangerous impurities. It is very fatal. Silver presence in water will give decoloration of skin and eyes. Nitrates in water will give acidity. It is also poison. It will give mainly poisoning for infants. That is called blue baby. Another main impurities are dissolved gases. Dissolved gases consist of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Oxygen normally will give corrosion. Carbon dioxide is acidity and it will give corrosion. Hydrogen sulfide will give odor, acidity, bad taste, and corrosion. Another main impurities are colloidal impurities, which are very small in size and it is electrically charged and always remain in continuous motion. It will not settle. In the coming episodes, we will see in detail the water specification and important terminologies normally used for water. Please do watch my next episode. I'll give you a brief on the various methods of treatment of water. Do not forget to subscribe and share my channel. I'll also put your likes and dislikes. Thank you very much. See you.